In this video, we are going to learn how to compile and run Python code on Python IDLE. IDLE is a good choice for Python. Python IDLE allows us to easily write Python code just like Python shell. We can create a separate Python file and can run Python code as a module using Python IDLE. Let's start by opening IDLE as a Python shell. Okay, now write a simple statement: print hello Python. Okay, now we are going to create a new separate file. So go to file and then click on new file. Okay, now save this file. Name this file and then click on save and create a new Python program. Okay, now save this file and we are going to compile this simple program. So click on run and then click on run module. Okay, if you like this video, give a like for this video and share your feelings by comments. Thank you so much for watching this video.